Sona Comstar Q3 FY26 results, record revenue, strong NEV growth और order book update. Sona BLW Precision Forgings reported a strong Q3 FY26 performance, delivering its highest ever quarterly revenue, EBITDA, and adjusted net profit. The company posted revenue of 1,209 crore rupees, marking a sharp 39% year-on-year growth, driven mainly by expansion in electric vehicle traction motors and the railway segment in India. EBITDA stood at 305 crore rupees, growing 30% year, with a healthy margin of 25.2%. Adjusted profit after tax came in at 181 crore rupees, up 20% year, reflecting sustained operating leverage and scale benefits. A key highlight of the quarter was the continued improvement in electrification exposure. Battery electric vehicle (BEV) revenue share increased to 38% in Q3 FY26 from 32% in Q2 FY26, making this the company's second best quarter in terms of BEV contribution. This underscores Sona Comstar's strategic focus on electrification and advanced mobility solutions. For the 9 months ended December 31, 2025, Sona Comstar reported revenue of 3,203 crore rupees, representing 19% year growth. EBITDA for 9MFY26 stood at 796 crore rupee with an EBITDA margin of 24.9%, while adjusted PAT rose to 478 crore rupees, growing 9% year. Importantly, electric vehicle programs contributed 71% to the company's robust net order book of 23,500 crore rupees, highlighting strong long-term visibility in EV-led growth. On the operational front, the company added 6 new EV programs during 9MFY26, taking the total awarded programs to 64 across 33 global customers. Sona Comstar also commercialized a new product during the quarter, hydraulic motor controller for electric farm equipment vehicles, securing an order from a global agricultural OEM. Additionally, the company commenced sample production of in-cabin radar sensors at its newly commissioned SMT line in Chennai, positioning itself among the few automotive radar manufacturers in India with local SMT capabilities. Serial production is expected to begin in the second half of FY27. Management highlighted that the quarter reflects strong execution, expanding EV customer relationships, and successful entry into adjacent technology areas, reinforcing Sona Comstar's long-term positioning as a leading global mobility technology supplier. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.